Lift the vehicle and remove the wheel, and install your new coilover. Hand start the new hardware. New hardware is a 15mm socket. Tighten the top mount nuts to 16 Nm or 45 foot-pounds of torque. And use a 17mm socket with 19mm wrench to tighten. Hand start your lug nuts. Use a 17mm socket to secure the lug nuts and torque lug nuts to 130 Nm or 95 foot-pounds of torque. To finish up the front of the car, replace the access panel back on the cowl. Install the new rear coilover spring with the adjuster plate. Remove the new hardware and reuse the original upper bushing. Place the original bushing over the shock mount, then the washer and the nut. Reinstall the dampening adjustment topper. Use the small hex key to tighten it.